is up, guys? We've got another modification video for the 2026 Silverado. This kit in this video is from Venom. We did just do another mod kit from Venom. They sponsored that video and sponsored this video. Be sure to check them out, show them some love. Be sure to use the link down in the description. If you use that link, go to their website, purchase something. It does help support the channel, so I'd appreciate it if you guys check that out. Also at the watchjoshwiley.com page, there's a discount code page where there's a bunch of different companies. Same thing, go to all of their websites and use the discount codes provided for some of them. Help support the channel out when you buy something there. This kit is going to be, if you checked out the other mod kit that we got from Venom before this video, the install is going to be a whole lot simpler, but it still pretty much is just plug and play type stuff. You got to tap into a couple of wires, but nothing real hard. Anybody can do it. So what this kit does is when you put your truck in reverse, and by the way, they do sell these kits for a bunch of different vehicles, a bunch of different years. We're just doing the install for the 26 Silverado, but you can get it for other vehicles as well. But when you put the vehicle in reverse, your reverse lights come on. When you do this modification kit, when you install it, when you put it in reverse on the 26 Silverado, your reverse lights will come on. You have a little light on your tailgate. You may have, dependent on your trim package, I think some trucks might not. But if you do have that, that will also come on, and your cargo lights will also come on. So you get all the lights that are on the truck white on the back will come on when you put it in reverse to add a little bit extra lighting, which is really, really neat. So let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, so this is everything with the reverse light harness kit. Just one cable and two T-taps. This has got a red marker because this is directional. So you're going to have to put this on a certain way, and we'll go over that. So now we're going to talk about what two wires these go to. So you got to get up under the steering wheel. All right. So you need to get up under here to all of these guys. And we're going to need to mess with that pink one on the left and the blue one on the right. And you just got to use your fingernail and pull that white tab down. Maybe. There we go. Press that in and pull it out. And then the pink one over here, I have already done an upgrade, which you can see in another video, but here's the pink one. So we're going to take those taps, T-taps, and if you've got the same truck, it's this wire up top third from the left, which is green and white. And then over here, is that one right there, which is purple and white. All right, once you have gotten those two T-taps installed, you can now plug this up. The one with the red end is going to go on your pink. And then you're going to connect that one to that. And then we can plug these back up. And it should look like that. And then that plugged up back there. And that is it. And this should be ready to go. All right, so that was a fairly easy install. Now let's start this and put it in reverse and see if all these lights light up. Which should be reverse light, tailgate light, and your cargo lights. All of that should come on when you put it in reverse. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like I said, they do offer these kits, a bunch of different kits for a bunch of different vehicles, bunch of different years. This is just for the 26 Silverado, so wiring will probably be different if you're doing it not on a 26 Silverado, but it's pretty much the same exact thing. Really simple, anybody can do it. Be sure to use the link down in the description or over at my website, watchjoshwiley.com. You can use the discount code, check all the other companies out. Use the links and purchase something. It does help support the channel. I'd appreciate it if you guys check that out. And I'd appreciate it if you guys got down in the comments section. Let me know all of your thoughts down there. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more truck upgrade videos. I'll see you in the next one. See you.